Good evening, friends. Study with the Pala Engineering and Journal Geology, Parvin Singh book. So, chapter in 6 Structural feature of rock, according to this apparent and true dips topic. When the dip of a layer is measured in a direction that is essentially at right angles to the strike of that particular layer, then and only then it is called true dip. However, when the dip is however, when the dip of a layer is measured in any other direction which is not at a right angles to its strike direction, it is called an apparent dip. The true dip and the apparent dip values are related to each other in the following manners. 10 alpha is equal to 10 beta dot means of multiply cos gamma, or we say in lambda. Okay, so where alpha is the apparent dip angles, beta is the angle of a true dip, and lambda is the angle of between the strikes of the layer and the direction in which the apparent dip is measured. Unless specifically mentioned, dip of a rock given in the book on structural geology means true dip. So this figure, true dip indicate A and B, and this explained C text. So don't forget to make a diagrams with labeling. Type of dip. Dip may be measured locally or over large areas. It may be an original features or developed subsequently to the formations of rock. Hence, it is often distinguished further into following types. Primary dip A. When sedimentary rocks are deposited in an originally sloping basin, they are also inclined in the same fashions. Thus, if the original slope of the basin of depositions is anything between 5 to 10 degree, the sedimentary formations accumulating over there in the period of time will also have same depositions. Such dip are called primary dip, and depositional gradient and may be up to angle of 35 degree along they are very low, generally below 20 degree. Secondary dip, it is the inclinations induced in the strata after its deposition due to the tectonic force to which such strata have been subsequently subjected. Secondary dip may range in value up to verticals. In fact, such forces may even cause overturnings and inversions of the strata, changing not only the original amount of dip but also the original direction of dip. In most of a folded mountains range of the world, strata exhibit secondary dip. Local and regional dip. Local dips are inclinations of the rocks exposed in a limited area of observation. These may be primary or secondary and may or may not show any appreciable variations laterally or with the depth. Regional dip is an average general inclination of a series of formations exposed over a wider area. These rocks may show varying local dips both in respect of a degree and directions of inclinations, but when considered in totality, yeah, so the entire substructure may appear inclined in one particular directions. At a broadly uniform angles, regional dips prevails over many hundreds kilometers. So this is important diagrams come in various exam, your class exam, your competition exam. So LD 1 and LD 2, 3, 4, 5. RD means regional dip, LD means local dip. Thank you.